guys, today we're gonna play Ultimate Color Fill Sandboard. And the back is this. Now let's open it. Now let's open it. Whoa! That's cool. Looks cool. Look. Here's 8 bottles.
Here's the sand. Wow, how many colors? Let's see the colors. It's red, pink, orange, yellow, and green.
I see some in
Cool.
here.
Oh, some more colors. Purple and white and black. Wow.
Science.
And there's glitter too.
Black.
So cool.
Black
Let's
is
see
my
the shapes.
Black is my favorite color.
Let's see what shapes we have.
I already opened
Wow.
mine.
Cool. Look at the flower.
Open mine. I'm going to do the flower.
You're gonna do the flower? What about you, Sam? What shape you want?
Oh, this one.
Okay.
Chemistry.
Sure.
Well, I'm going to pick 2. I'm going to pick the heart and the button. Me too. I'm going to pick the peace sign.
Oh yeah, good.
I hope this...
What do you want?
Oh, this is a glitter.
Green.
This is going to open purple.
Hot.
I need glitter. Oh, this is fun.
Wow.
Stop.
That's enough.
Good job, Ava. Uh-oh.
My hand. Which color I need next?
What color you want?
You need more green?
Yeah. Let me put it.
You know how to do it, Ava?
Just
Ouch.
blood.
No more purple?
I'm doing it, guys.
Good job, Sam. That's enough black.
Black is my favorite color. I need this.
What color now you want?
Green. I need white. Look, guys. I need more white. Because there's all black.
Wow, red,
Okay,
purple,
more.
green.
More green?
Yellow now.
Yellow?
Okay, now I need blue. But I need silver now. I need silver. More silver. There's almost no more silver. This top. Which side is open? It's raining shiny blue.
Wow, Sam done his first one.
Yes, I'm the winner. Greenish, bluish, shiny, blackish, whitish. Sing on. Look, guys, I did it.
What color you want? You want pink? Let's open the pink then. Yeah.
Oopsie, sorry.
Wow.
I need orange.
Daddy doing the star. Ava's putting orange now. What about you, Sam? What are you gonna use?
Oh yeah.
What
orange,
color?
Orange. Like the colors of the rainbow. Please, thank you. Thank you so much. I need glitter. There. I just need to put them around a lot. There. That's better. Oopsie. Nice. Sorry, glitter. What? Why am I sticky? I'm sticky brown. That's enough. Yeah, look, guys.
It's mixed up.
I mixed up too.
Yours, yeah, that's fine.
Green,
That's fine,
I need
it's still good.
I need green. Oopsie. There. What kind of color? I need purple. I need blue. Which blue is open? No. I want silver. First. Then blue. I'm not making that much of a rainbow. Which kind of color was that? I don't know.
What color you want? Light pink? Let me open it for you.
Mine is looking good right so far. Look at it.
Yeah, it does.
I'm gonna mix this one with the red sand, the yellow and red sand. I think I'm gonna get orange. I'm almost finished.
Yeah, it's almost done.
The sand.
What color you want, Sam?
Give me pink. I want pink. Guys, look at me. There, yes.
Put a little more, Sam.
Okay. More white.
Am I finished?
Look, it's like snow. It's like snow.
Yeah.
It's like snow. White is like snow. It's snow.
Yeah.
And it's
enough.
the sticky man. Come on, sticky man. You
There.
can do it, sticky. Do it, sticky man. You can do it, sticky.
Are you finished, Daddy?
Come on, go in.
There you go.
Oh, that is done. His star.
Where's your orange, Daddy? Did you even want to put orange? Ava's actually look good.
I know.
Mine's-
He looks my sweater.
No. There. I need mostly pink.
Look, I got a heart now.
Oh, you got a heart.
I need a lot
You done the flower? I like it.
You dropped it? Oh my god.
I need a lot of red for
Wow.
A heart needs a lot of red. So I need
Okay.
a lot of red.
Okay.
What's that pink? What's that?
I need this pink.
What do you want to use now, Sam?
Dark pink.
I'm just need a
It's
lot.
dark. Light pink.
Where's red?
With that.
Daddy?
Mhm.
I need red.
Okay, use something else for now.
Yeah, use something else for you.
I need
Good job, Daddy.
I just need a lot of red for the heart.
All red? You don't want to make it rainbow colors?
No, just the flower.
Ah.
Just the awful heart is red? Why? That's so boring. There, that's enough white. Maybe you could have white now. I'm gonna put more pink.
Look at Ava's heart. Oh, Daddy finished his third one.
I'm almost finished.
Me too, yay!
I need ready. Is this side open?
There's one more.
I want to do it. Looks like I just need. I want orange. This will
This
take
is
100
so
years.
fun.
I know.
Look, I'm building a stand. Building a sand desert.
I want that.
This is how hard it is. Hey, do you know what the peace sign looks like? It looks like a circle but with a bird's leg on it. That's what it looks like. Give me the shell.
It's the bird. Huh? The bird here. Where is the bird?
Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Oh, yeah.
You did a bird right there.
Yeah.
You're done. I'm gonna put mostly orange and pink. Okay, guys?
What color you want to put now, Ava?
Red. Give you yellow. Put the yellow.
Okay, Daddy. I need the funnel.
I'm hushing it with Like
And
a
a
baby.
lot.
I'm hushing it.
Now shake
Be
it, Daddy. Shake
quiet,
it, shake it.
be quiet, be quiet.
What?
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Get to sleep.
Daddy, that looks cool.
Go to sleep.
I like it.
I want you to go to sleep. Go to
What color you want now, Sam?
sleep.
Pink,
Go
pink.
to sleep. Go
Hey, I will do it.
to sleep.
there, and then shake it around like that. Just shake it around like you don't, like you just don't care.
Wow.
Mine?
I like it, yeah.
Why do you like mine?
I do.
Now I need red. Now I need red.
Because I had a
A
reach.
little bit more.
Because I reached it.
Yeah.
There.
Put a little bit more.
What's it?
Looks good actually. I like it.
Hey, red, bluey. Red, bluey.
That is
Blue, white, bluey.
Where's Bluey?
Yeah.
Where's Bluey?
Mine's red.
You jumped all of us!
But none of them are dropped.
Wait, I'm gonna put.
Is this enough, guys? I mean, is this enough? I'm finished.
No, not yet.
Oh,
Here.
No.
Hold it well.
Black.
Little bit more. Let's see Sam what he did. Oh, it looks cool.
Short it.
Oh.
I need white.
What?
Wait. It's almost close. Am I close?
Okay, this is
Nobody do shiny? Why nobody do shiny? It's shiny. No.
Rainbow, 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 gabba, gabba, gabba.
Now put the top on.
This is so fun, guys. Yeah. It
We
is
don't
so
know
light.
what. We don't know what is it gonna do in the dark or not gonna do it in the dark.
Yes, we're gonna try it.
Yes, yes.
I closed it.
Good.
No, I don't need black yet. I need red. I need your favorite color.
Hard. Get rapid slide. Rapid slide, daddy. No, I go with rapid slide and lipsticks. Lipsticks. Right.
Mom, lipsticks, my man. My man. Ma'am, would you like some lipsticks? Ooh, daddy. Hi, daddy. Ooga, 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 booga. That's what he was like.
Here we go.
Awesome.
We're all done.
Shiny. Give me this.
I thought it was gray. I didn't know that was
It's
glitter.
Yeah, it's that's silver color. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look how much hard it is. Yes, put the cover.
Okay, those
got three.
1, 2, 3 for Daddy, those 1, 2 for Ava, and those 1, 2, 3 for Sam.
1, 2, 3.
Say in the comments who did it better. Me? I know it's me. Or Ava. I don't know it's Ava.
It's me.
Feels Ava?